that was the 35. What are they doing?
I don't know. This is the broken car. It seems to be the girlfriend's car, and then the boyfriend is trying to figure out how to get the car to start.
There's a wire.
It must be this, honey. Yeah, I'm looking for it. The thingy. The thingamabobby. Yeah, it's that right there. Okay, babe, try to start it. No! You're wrong, it's not that. It's this over here. What do you mean it's this? No, it's over here. Right. Right here. You stupid bitch. No, it's not that. It's this right here. No, it's this right here. Look. Get out. You're dumb. Oh, I got it. Get in the car, you dumbass. You can't fix shit. Why am I with you? You're worthless. I told you it would start. I'm gonna take away your man card.